Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So still haven't broken through this level, and it is range bound, pretty much following suit on the Dow Jones. We do have a moving average crossover now on the 8 hour, but we're now stuck between the 155 and the 66 and the 33. So as far as I'm concerned, this is still range bound. We haven't broken through the range, so it is still a fairly clear sit on hands for me. And you can see yesterday we had a pullback, but pull back into pretty much nothing, and then a move to the top of the range, and then a pullback again. But we'll see if there were some opportunities on the lower time frame. So yesterday, strategy was to sit on the hands, which was the correct view as far as I'm concerned. You can see we pretty much range bound. Today we want to see if we can start breaking the structure to the upside. So what you're looking for is a break of 14,591. So I need to see a break and a retest of that. That would validate this range break. And then you have a range target, which is roughly in this area here of 15,043. And then you have a measured move target. So that was the first measured move plus a range. But then you've got another bigger one down to the downside. But I think that's the area that you're going to be capped at, 15,043. So if we get down to the hour and look at what happened yesterday, breakthrough. And then, as I said to you, wait for the pullback on any of these levels, and you can see, I think you can pick one, whichever one you want, but the latest 3 here is the area to pay attention to, pull back onto that, and then we had a 1 hour inside bar for a move up. But if we look at the 15 minutes, you'll see pin bar stretching for there, didn't quite get to the level, and I'm just going to fine tune this because there's a couple of levels here. So there's the zone, and then the third one would have been on these 2 highs. But look at the oscillators grouping down, look where the 155 is, and you sort of get this bullish reversal, then a bit of a range bar, and then you get the engulfing bar. So not really any of the structure I look for, but confluence of support all over the place. 155 EMA, all the structure here, and a bit of a trend line as well, but I think we kind of missed that trend line a bit. So pullback came, opportunity to buy into this, all above the moving averages on the 155, and that's where the move was. So for me today, let's get back to the hour. What we're looking for is structure, and unfortunately these are the areas we'd be paying attention to. And I would also add that trend line in, and then there's another trend line which has formed now as well. Now we are going parabolic as well, which is also a concern. So oscillators also grip the upside, so it could be a big double top forming, or alternatively just a bigger range. So I would expect, at first glance, we're looking at 14,500. If we can hold 14,500 today, and this is on the 15 minutes, see some structure there on the 15 minutes, you've got a very wide stop because you're going to have to be below the swing low here, and then you're looking for a move to the upside. If this gives way, then your next structure is down here, which to me would be a little bit more secure. So 14,436, a move down to here, because it'll give me a stop roughly around 14,370 area roughly. 14,380 would also do. But if you look to the left, you can see all the structure here that would offer support. You can see there. So that is a little bit more secure for a trade than this level for me anyway. But both of them can work. Okay, so we're looking for a pullback onto 14,500. If that fails, then 14,436. Small position size, guys, don't go crazy. We're still pretty much, we're technically in a range bound situation, and at the moment we're just looking for the pullback, anticipating a break, but your target area is still top of range at 14,591. So if we get through that and come back and test it, then you're looking for a bigger move up to 15,043. So that's kind of my view today. I think we may very much still stay in the range today. You'll probably find just between these 2 levels, or alternatively between the bottom level and the top level there. But then we could also break, so it just all depends on what's going to happen today. Anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. Still looking to buy, not really looking at shorts, just looking to buy, but looking for the structure to buy off and to minimize my risk as much as possible. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.